Hello friends, welcome to DY Agri Corners. In this channel, I will guide you for various agriculture related exams, mainly agriculture field officer in bank, NABARD and various state related agri exams. So guys, today's topic of discussion is job role of. So before I will tell you, before going to prepare for any exams, you should know what job role you are going to perform. So it's our duty to know what is the job role. So I am going to discuss you through various slides. So let us start. So that is the first point is nature of work. Mostly the agriculture field officers are posted to rural branches. Their focus area of work is they have to deal with KCC loans, agri allied activities. The main portfolio they have to look after that is rural credit growth and priority sector lending. The mainly they will be called as rural development officer in a bank. Next is the role of field officers. They have to conduct farmer visit, field visit before sanctioning of any loan. Then they have to do estimation of cost of cultivation. Then they have to do area-wise credit planning with focus on lead crop taken. Here I am underlining this word lead crop taken. So where you are posted, there may be the crop taken or crop going may varies from place to place. So according to the area, you have to decide how much the area and according to the area, how much you going to give to the farmers. So these things you have to decide properly. Then the thing is comes under is that you have to canvas for various allied sectors also. Not only you have to see the crop loan, you have to see other enterprises also. Okay, like example is your rice mills, etc. Okay, then you have to verify end use of the credit. Whatever you have provided to the farmers, that should be particularly used for that purpose only. Okay, that is called end use verification of credit. Next is participation in meetings. Under this, you have to meet with lead district manager. Formulation and implementation of lead district plan. You have to be deal with various central and state government schemes. There are various type of schemes running in various states. Those things also you have to look after. That may include welfare schemes also. Then it comes to the point NABARD. Everyone you knows regarding NABARD. So as your RDO, that is Rural Development Officer, you should formulate schemes to avail refinance from NABARD. You have to monitor the schemes. Those are running before and those who are running now. You have to monitor the schemes. Okay, then you have to see subsidy processing of loan sponsored under various government schemes. So various government schemes are run by various state government as well as central government schemes. So the subsidy is the main part. When a person is taking any type of loan, for example, any farmers or any agri entrepreneur, they have to look after for subsidy. So you will work as a bridge among that customers as well as with the NABARD officials. And you have to look after how the process is being subsidy is being processed and how they will get that benefit. So this is your job role also. Next is that I am saying this is planning and implementation of these things. Recovery camps. When you are posted in a bank will main thing is that you have to lend money as well as you have to collect, recover those type of monies. So recovery of bad debts, it's very important. Then monitoring of agri sector loans. You have to conduct various mega recovery loan camps. Then you have to create awareness regarding various SMA or NP accounts. Suppose those who are not repaying the money, you have to tell them what are the consequences they will face if they will not repay the money. They will not get prompt repayment incentive also. Like that you have to tell to the customers and farmers. Then it's come to the point priority sector lending. Lending to weaker sections, educational loans, mudra loans, crop and animal husbandry comes under priority sector lending. Again, the important thing is that in priority sector lending, the lending should done to the society that will contribute maximum to the GDP of the country. In this sector, for welfarement of the society, the main parts comes like that SHG. Lending in groups to maintain welfare of women section in the society, that based on the repaying capacity and number of members in the group. What happens in SHG groups? There will be members of the women section of the society. They will be attached, they will be engaged in various type of activities. So your job role is to look after this type of sections, and you have to provide or lend money to this type of groups. Okay, this is the women part. When it comes to the main part, we call it as joint liability group. Here, a group of farmers can avail loan and based on their land value and area of cropping. So, in this way, I covered my first topic, that is the job role of a agriculture field officer in a bank. If you like this video, kindly please do like, subscribe, and don't forget to bell the press icon. Thank you guys.